This is Max. Recently, he learnt about the risks of ransomware and the relevance of file system auditing. You're wondering what that is? Malware has the sole purpose of destroying data. It spreads via spam mails, misleading links, or software updates and exploits the vulnerabilities in web browsers and popular software. The security team take this threat very seriously, and Max realized that he needs more transparency on data access. Together with the security team, Max is responsible to protect the most valuable asset of his company, its data. How does he do that? Max now runs CryptoSpike, which offers an intelligent machine learning algorithm. This algorithm learns access behavior of all users and blocks ransomware-infected users as they start to manipulate data. And besides the active blocking, every user transaction is recorded and now can be audited. This allows Max and the security team to see which user accessed which data, when and where, and which user caused this damage. Once the manipulated files have been localized, Max can restore the data with one click through native snapshot integration. Data lost due to malware, ransomware, or user manipulation is now reduced to a minimum, and data security is significantly increased. Do it like Max does. Protect your NAS file services from ransomware attacks and data damage. Go to ProLion.com/CryptoSpike and get protected today.